Welcome to another Techniques Auto video. Today we will be looking under the hood of this i3 electric BMW. So we're going to strip this car down, clear all the accident damage, and then do all the necessary work, drive the train to get it going again. Left the damage in this area, include the front wheel. Broken off. I just attached that one so we can get up on the tow truck. All the control arm, subframe, all of that is bent up underneath. Now I want to take a closer look at different area of the subframe. That's the reason for removing this panel, and you can see how badly damaged some of these panels are. Include the wheel actually broken on the inside, and you can see the subframe heavily damaged and bent up real bad. Also, there's some electrical wiring damage under the wheel arch. This light here, we gotta check if it's just the light or the light on the computer. Need to replace. Now I'm checking to make sure the chassis is okay, and this is just a visual inspection at this time. Further in the repair, I'm going to do a lot of measurement and also checking the rear suspension. This subframe definitely have to replace. Majority of the damaged parts are off the car, but we're still going to check the wiring and any other connection. This is the end of this part 1 video. Join us for the next video, which will be the part 2.